Hello creatives and designers, welcome to my space. This is Create Videos in Pixel on YouTube. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit any image and make them blend with the background or dissolve with the background. This is the image before and then this is the image after editing. So I'm going to show you step by step how I achieve this kind of editing using Snapseed. Okay, and this is what we're going to cover in this tutorial. In case this is your first time viewing our channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, share, turn on your notification to stay updated anytime we drop a new video like this. Thank you. Now let's proceed. So first of all, I need to go back into my Pixel. I'm going to show you something. So this is the image on Pixel before I start editing it. So the first thing I need to do, I need to bring my background and place it here, and then I'm going to bring my image and place it where I want it to be. This is the reason because you cannot combine two images like this together on Snapseed. Now I have to do it on Pixel to save me stress. So after this, now I'm going to go here and then save my image as save as image. Then this is not difficult, you already know about this. So I'm going to take you back into Snapseed. After saving your work on Pixel, you are going to go back to Snapseed and start the real work. So we're going to see how we can move from this to this, okay, using Snapseed. So first of all, I need to get rid of this and then import the one I have on I just saved with Pixel. So first of all, I need to go here, click on open, and then from here I'm going to take me to my gallery, so where I'm going to see the images that I want to use. So this is the image that I saved after editing. So this is the one I saved from Pixel. So we are going to be using this, okay, for this particular tutorial. So I'm going to tap on it and then import it into my Snapseed. You see that there is no filter effect on this image. So we're going to see how we can edit this into a real studio image. So now I'm going to go here, click on this, okay, and then tap on it, and then it's going to bring out these options for you. And then when it comes out, so all you need to do for me is to work on your curves. Okay, if you observe the top of your options here, you're going to see curves and you're going to see details. So these are the two things that I'm going to be using for this particular editing. So the next thing that may be important is your tone images, okay, and then here in case your image is too brighten up, you can just work on it here, increase the brightness, reduce this contrast or something. Just play around with your options and then highlights. But I don't need to do this because I've already done it on Pixel. So I already have my image and the image is good for me. So now I'm going to go here, click on my curves, which I told you that is an essential thing that we need to study in this course. So now I'm going to click on my curve and then I'm bringing out the curve now. So this is how curves look like anywhere, any place, even on Photoshop. So now we are going to go to channel, click on my channel, and then I'm going to bring out these 5 options. We have RGB and we have red, green, blue, and then luminance. Okay, my concern for this tutorial is just red and blue, okay, and green. So we're going to see how we can use these 3 filters to blend our image into the background. So just follow me up and see how this works. So let's proceed now. So I'm going to first of all click on my red, and I want you to observe what is going to happen now. If I'm increasing my red, click on any point here and then drag it up, and you're going to see that the whole image is going to be filled up with the red fill. So if I'm going to take it down, it's going to give us a kind of effect of green and blue combined together. So what I need is not red. So there is no red color in this room. So there's no red right, and there's no also this kind of effect filter. So I'm going to do away with red. So I'm going to go back here and then go with green. So now if I'm increasing my green, the whole image is going to take a green feel, okay, and then if I'm going to decrease it, it's going to take a pink feel, right? So now if you observe the background very well, we are going to see that the background has a pink color, pink light, right? So we're going to see how the pink light can affect our image. Let's work on that first. Now we are going to drag this down a little, okay, then after this, now I'm going to click OK, and this is the first step. I'm going to go to the top of my screen here, okay, tap on that and then click on view edit. So So now if I'm clicking on view edit, I'm going to see effect that I applied on this image. So I'm going to get rid of this first. I don't need it. So I'm going to see all the effect that I have applied on this image, which is curve. Okay, currently. So this is the original image, and then this is the curve effect, the first effect I applied. So I'm going to tap on that curve once. So it's going to bring out these 3 options for me. Okay. In case I still want to edit my curves, I can just click on this. And then if I want to trim some areas in this whole image that I don't want the curves to be on, I'm going to click on that. If I want to delete the curve, I'm going to tap on this. So now I'm going to tap on the middle one, which is brush filter, right? So I'm going to tap on it. Now I'm going to click on my invert. Okay, and then I'm going to click on it and then mask it. Now I'm going to go here and then mask it. Okay, and then there are some places that I don't want this effect to be on. So these are the places I'm going to remove. So what I need to do is, instead of increasing the curve to 100, okay, I'm going to decrease it down to 0. So I'm going to tap on decrease until I decrease it to 0. Now I can start brushing out or removing or erasing the effect on the places that I don't want in this image. You should remember where the pink color is coming from. I mean, the pink light is coming from. So we are going to be concerned with how we can leave our image in such a way that it's going to take the pink effect in those places. Now let's zoom in and see. So I'm going to release this as well. So our interest is how this light affects our image, not how the background affects the image, right? So now if the pink light that is coming from here should be able to cast this way, and then the pink light coming from these angles, you should be having an effect of this more of pink light from this angle, right? That's why I'm going to leave my effects on this angle that the pink light is going to come in from. So now I can erase some more. Okay. So after this, now I'm going to go here and then click OK. This is image before and then this is after. So let's see if we are making progress now. So after this, I'm going to go back here, tap on this to go back to my space before. So now I'm going to tap on this option to bring out my curves option again. I'm going to go to the top and tap on my curve again, and then this time we are going to look at the image and see the background. For the background, you're going to discover that the blue light is coming from the up down here. So we're going to see how we can make this blue light touch the image from the top. So now I'm going to go here and click on my channel again, click on the blue, right? Now if I'm decreasing it, it's going to be adding yellow, right? Fill. Now if I'm increasing my blue, it's going to add blue to the whole of image, right? So I can increase it as much as I want. Let's say this, for instance. Now I'm going to tap OK, check OK. Now as well, I'm going to go again. You see, this process is very easy to understand. So I'm going to go to the top again and then click on my view image, and then now I have the original curve and the second curve. Now the second curve, I'm going to tap on it, then click on the middle icon, and then click on my invert, click on my mask. Okay, now I'm going to start erasing this blue on those parts of the image that I don't want this blue effect to be on. Okay, now I'm going to decrease and then start painting out or erasing those fills on those places that I don't want it to be. Okay, now I can go here and then erase this, and then I can increase this to 100 and then paint back this. Okay, let's reduce it to 50. Okay, as the light is coming down, it's going to be fading out a little. Now I'm going to go to my glass. Okay, I want to drop the effect here, okay, on the glass. So but at the same time, I want to erase some part on the glass as well. So this part is not supposed to be covered with W. So now let's have it this way. Now I'm going to erase this more out. Okay, now this is good. Now after this, now I'm going to click on OK. Now we're going to have this. Now let's zoom back a little and see. So this is before and then this is after. So the last thing that we need to know is that in this room we have a yellow light casting from this angle. Okay, but there is another one casting from this angle, but it's not going to be as intense as the one coming from this angle. So we are interested in the one coming from this angle. So all of this thing, editing, is all about understanding the lightning effect. How does your light affect your image? So now I'm going to be teaching you lightning effect. This is the interest of this tutorial as well. So now for the last part of this curve filter, so I'm going to go back here, go back again for the last time of picking curves. So I'm going to click on my curve and then here, and then which color can we use to get yellow? I've discussed it before. It's going to be blue. So if you are taking down blue color, we are going to have yellow fill on the image, right? So I'm going to take it down more a little, and then here we have it. So I'm going to click OK and then go back here, click on view edit, and then I'm going to click on the curves, click on this and then click on my invert and then mask it. I'm going to reduce reduce it to 0, my curves to 0, and then I'm going to start erasing the part I don't want. So we have been doing this all the time, and then I believe it's not going to be difficult again. If you want to understand somebody better, it's better you understand how they feel. If the image want to understand the background, it must understand the situation of the background. So the situation of the background is how the light coming from the background can affect the image there. So now we can have it this way. So I can erase this part a little more. So this yellow cannot go as much and touch this part. So we are going to have the color yellow here, and then here I think we are okay. So after this, now I can zoom back a little and then let's see what we got at the end of the day. So this is the image before and then this is the image after. So we have done the works that we need to do when it comes to curves. So let's see the image before and then this is the image after. So we have done the works that we need to do with curves. Okay, now we can see that the image is always looking like it's blending with the background. So the one last thing I need to do here is the image that I have here is not looking sharp, right? So I'm going to see some gallops on my face here. So I am going to go to this icon here, tap on it, and then I'm going to see some edit defaults that they have here. So instead of working on how to smoothen my face or smoothing the image and make them blend better, okay, I'm going to just tap on their already default smoothing. So if it doesn't work out to my taste, I can try to edit it, but let's see. So I'm going to click on that which they tagged smooth and then tap on it. Now it has smoothed my image perfectly. Now you can see that even the light has been smoothed out. So this is why you have to work on your curves very first before you start working on that smoothing, okay, so that everything will blend well. So there's no magic here and it's very simple to do, right? If this video helped, please don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel, turn on notification to stay updated anytime we drop a new video. Don't forget to share this video to others who might need it or find it interesting to watch. Thank you for staying with me. My name is still Son of Man. See you on my next video. Goodbye from here. Namaste.